So let's say you knew nothing about AI, but for whatever reason you wanted to learn it, how to use it, in what ways you could even use it, and so on. Then there's a few options for you, depending on how you learn best. There's multiple courses online that you could take, even for free, but those are video courses, so oftentimes just a prof in front of a whiteboard talking, which I could do here as well, but it had a reason that I did not make this decision. Even Harvard has some now. I think they just said they would launch courses as well, and even on AI, even free ones that you can watch online. Then there's courses by other platforms or even Google, which are more interactive as well, where you can do and do tasks even in. So if that's something that you're into, then you can just Google for some courses, video courses, or more interactive ones as well. The best option you have, though, is actually to start doing it. This is how I started learning it as well. AI especially is a field where no one is really mature in, and where no one really is capable to teach anything, just because it is so new and changes all of the time. Like, even I say even, I have no idea basically what I'm doing, right? I'm just some 17-year-old guy sitting in his room, and I just happen to be able to build chatbots fairly good, right? So I'm no one at all to tell you what to do or how to do it. This is just my experience of how I've done it. So I think the best option I have, or the best option anyone has, is to just go and do it, because there's no one who's capable of teaching it, just because it is so new and so changing all of the time. So what I do and what I did to get to this point is just to go online, to search for AI tools, and to start playing around with them, seeing what's the best for which case, how to prompt, how to do all of that just by trial and error. Building AI specifically with tools like N8N, VoiceFlow, BotPress, and all of that. I think the best option you have is just going in there and then to start building. And you can get a head start in that by watching specific courses on that one platform you choose. There is multiple courses on VoiceFlow, what all of these buttons mean and all of that. I have some of that as well. If you want to, you can watch them, or some of any other one who teaches that out there. That is your choosing. But other than that, just go and play around. It's changing all of the time. There's updates all of the time. No one is really capable of teaching AI, I think, or at least only at a really, really theoretical level. I mean, I could sit down here and tell you how AI works and neural networks, LLMs, what all of that means, but that's not going to bring you anything if you know in theory how AI works, but you're not capable of using it or building any of it of your own. So, to sum it up, the best thing you can do is look for certain use cases that you want to use AI for, and then see if maybe an AI tool can do that. If it's just one task that needs to be automated or done with the help of AI, and then AI tools are pretty good to do these certain things, or to help you with these things. If you want to have them automated, then AI agents would be the one for you to look in for. But other than that, searching for a platform that you want to learn, or that is in theory capable of doing the things that you want to have done, and then just watching YouTube videos how this platform works, and then to start building on this platform whatever you want to do. You can even for fun just start building stuff. This is a journey. This is not a you will do it in an afternoon. This will require for you to continue to work with this platform, work on this platform, experiment around, and get used to certain updates that they will do. So this is a journey, this is a marathon, not a sprint, and the only success metric of this, which we have, is to stay in the game. So it's one of Simon Sinek's infinite games that we're playing here. And again, we don't really know what's going on, so search for a platform or a use case that you feel the need in your business, that needs to happen, needs to be done with AI, or that you want to have done with AI. Search for a platform or a tool that is capable of doing that. and learn this tool or platform. They're pretty universal. Once you know one, you know all, more or less. So don't worry about that, and just get started. Honestly, it's not hard. It just requires you to keep on the ball. It's not hard to do it. It just requires you to do it every day, or at least really, really frequently, to keep up with all of the updates, because it is so fastly changing. Okay, that's all I've got to say about that. As I said, I have tutorials on certain platforms as well. If you want to, you can watch them, or watch the videos of any other one out there. I don't really care. Yeah, have a nice day.